Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best doorbells of 2025. These doorbells not only enhance your home's security but also add a touch of modern convenience. From advanced features to sleek designs, we'll cover everything you need to know to make an informed decision for your home. Make sure to watch till the end for a special segment on how these doorbells could potentially revolutionize home security in the coming years. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products, be sure to check the links in the description. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without further ado, let's start the video. Number 5. The Logitech Circle View Doorbell. Number 4. The Eufy Security Video Doorbell Dual. Number 3. The Arlo Essential Video Doorbell Wire-Free. Number 2. The Google Nest Doorbell. Number 1. The Ring Video Doorbell 5.